Howdy folks, welcome back to Space Engineers. It's a lovely, lovely morning. A little foggy, a little rainy. That's okay. We got a lot to catch up on, we got a lot to do. So as you can see, I've got a little auto miner, and it's like the worst auto miner design ever. I just slapped it together. It sort of mostly works, but we're going to replace that. I've already got a couple designs made in creative we're going to replace that with. But today I need to get some iron refining going on, so I don't want to do that with the basic refinery. We take a look here. We've got a bunch of iron ore, so we're going to build a big refinery indoors, and that's the plan for today. Meanwhile, this little guy he's just kind of doing some stuff out there, but he's going to get replaced. I've actually got a smaller auto miner design. I think I'm going to make probably 2 or 3 docking ports, have them doing various things out there, but anyway, let's head on inside. It's been a while since I recorded, so I don't remember exactly where I left off. I didn't go back and look at the last episode, but I've done quite a bit. I've got a little solar panel out there that is controlling the lights outside here, so they'll turn off when it gets light enough. And I've been working a little bit on the corridor, so we can go into the first hangar door there, or we can go all the way through here. And we pop out inside here. Got some screens going. You can see we've got 107k worth of iron ore. So we got a lot. Cargo is about half full. We've got a bunch of ice as well. 500,000 in ice. And our hydrogen tank is half full. We've got a large hydrogen tank. So I may build more of those, because once we venture back out into space, we're going to want to refuel a lot. But anywho, let's head in here. Oh, also I should mention, if you heard that door close behind me, I do have a timer block that's just in a continuous loop to close all the doors that are tagged for the base. So they will always close behind me. So the plan is to build a refinery setup here. So I've already got input and output from the refinery, so it's only gonna refine what I let through here. So right now that's just iron ore. So let's get to building, although I do need to dump off some stuff first. I was over there messing around with the auto miner. Had a bunch of that stuff in place. Oh right, I had set up to build a projector, but I'm not going to do that right now. That's why I had those extra parts. A little bit thirsty, but I do have food and water on me. These batteries are dead. Interesting. I thought I had... Oh, I've used a ton of power, apparently. Okay, well, our reactor should, in theory, be on. Yeah, it is on. Okay. So that event controller is working. I'm going to get totally distracted here. So if I look for uranium... Yeah, it's got a little bit of ore in there, and we've got some more here. Okay, so I guess we're running off of nuclear power right now. I wonder what used up all my power. Was it refining the ice, maybe? That could be. Anywho, let's get a refinery built. So I don't remember the shape of the refinery. Let me pull that up. And it's going to be... I had that out here on a bar. There it is. Is it 9? No, that's the O2H2. That's the assembler. I swore I had a refinery out here somewhere. There it is. Alright, and I wanted to do the industrial refinery with the catwalk stuff. And I think I'll just have the catwalk be even with this floor, so I've got some hollowing out to do. Let me get that done, and then we'll get the refinery in place and start welding it up. Okay, got a little bit of a space cleared here. So if we look at the refinery, we want to be able to put modules on the back. And it has an output on the bottom and an output on the top. So I might have to redo some of my plumbing here. If I do that, I should set the... Oop, I'm falling down. Set this out 1. Now let's set it right there. So that comes in, and then we'll have to plumb up the top. I need to do some more clearing out there. And then I'm gonna I'll redo these. This is not how this will be. So we'll redo that part. No problem. Uh-oh. Man, the destructive power of blowing up a block is pretty crazy. Yep, need to clear out some more up there, but that's the basic way we're going here. And why will you not place down? Oh, because there's stone in the way. Got it. Well, I can already climb on this. Well, that's not the right level. I thought this went all the way through. I'm thinking of the assembler. Alright, I'm going to do some more clearing out, and we'll get this sorted. I've been doing a lot of clearing. I think we have enough space now. So, let's give this a whirl. My stuff cleared out of the way. Alright, we go out to 8, 6, and we're going to put you... there. Is that the right spot? Yeah, that goes in, and then... oh, it needs to be down a block, doesn't it? Yeah, okay. I need to go down a block. So this comes out of there. Yeah, that's fine. So this may... yeah, this is going to change as well. This will have to angle down, and it'll come out over here. So the sorter will end up here. Like that. Then all this stuff needs to get changed. It's an iterative design process when I'm playing. We get it figured out. So then there'll be a floor down at this level, and that's what we'll build the refinery on. And I don't think I have enough interior plates. Maybe I do.
Energy low.
The grinder interface has got really strange. And yeah, I need to go recharge my suit. So it has a 2x2 footprint, if I recall. Or, yeah, it's 2x2, I'm pretty sure. So this will set. Oh, it's upside down. Like, what is going on? Unable to place. That's where it will go, though. Why am I unable to place? No idea. Maybe those are not aligned somehow? That's a possibility. Yeah, it'll snap to that. Maybe maybe my grid's a little bit off. Okay, that comes in there, and then we can go up the catwalk. And then we're at this level. This is the one that goes through, and that's level with the floor. Now we got it! Alright, well let's get this thing built. I need a little bit of block scaffolding just to get out of here. Let's see, build planner is empty. Okay, pull out all the stuff. Dump that in there. I had pre-built most of this, so we should have everything available. It just takes a lot of resources to build one of these. There we go. Yeah, my suit is getting pretty low, I know. Don't worry, I'm not going to pull the splitsy. Okay, light armor block, you can go away. You can go away. You can get drilled a little more. And then you need to be an armored angle. Like that. And then I guess we can just go ahead and make another one. As well. You guys, and don't have any way to pull out of there, do I? Pull from here. And we're going to weld up, and we're not going to die. I need to set this to not suck in everything. White list and iron ore. There we go. Now we can plumb that up, and then this guy should take off. There it goes. Now we still have to get the plumbing for the ingots out, but it can at least be working on some stuff. Get up out of here. I'll go charge my suit. Stop in here. That'll work. In the little miner. We can see over on the display there, the iron should be going down. We got a bunch of nickel too. I don't know if we need that much nickel, but we have nickel. Alright, all charged up. So we're going to need some interior plate. That'll work. You there, and then should you? I'm trying to decide if I should do catwalk here. Make a demarcation point there. Yeah, let's do catwalk there, which I don't think I have on my bars anywhere. Oh no, I do. There it is. So we're going to need the... I need construction components. So gated catwalk straight. Should I do the narrow? Do we have a narrow? Half graded catwalk straight. That would actually sort of line up. Should I just do the full? Yeah, I'll just do the full here. Then once I get all this iron processing through, I've got a whole lot of welding to do. There's a whole lot of welding. Get that block finished up since it's right here. Okay, now we need some plumbing out of the top of this bad boy. And I may end up making more refineries eventually, but this will do for now. Then I want to fill in down below, you know, where we can go down to the catwalk and there'll be a lower level there. But we need to get stuff out of here. So we're going to need to use it. For now, we can just do this to get up top. And then I originally had made that a conveyor junction, hadn't I? So we can come down right here and then back in. I probably should make this, yeah, I'll make this a conveyor junction. Put a slope here. Can I hop up? I can almost hop up. Oops. Let's go to the right screen. Not Vonveyor, conveyor. Let's get about 6 of those. Yeah, maybe 7 of those and 1 of those. And then let's just pull all the... Yeah, there we go. So weld him up. Then I don't want to get in the way of the module, so we'll go... this way. I want this guy be like that. I think that's the right direction. Nope. Well, like that, and then I turned the wrong way. Then here we'll just go to the normal tubing. We'll go up. Like that, and then back over this direction. Can I get to the side of that? So, doesn't want to let me place it there. There we go. And I guess really what I should have is a sorter here as well, so it doesn't backfeed. So I'll put a sorter down there. Get a little more of this stuff cleared away. Can clean that up later. So we'll put a sorter here. We add more refineries, we'll be hooking in there. So let me make sure I got enough stuff for that. Should be close at least. I'll put the control panel over here where I can get to it. Guess we don't have any steel tube. We'll fix that. We've got 3 assemblers. So. Should go pretty quickly. Alright, and this guy is going to be whitelist. It's going to just pull out ingots. Might as well name this here. I can rename the other one as well. Alright, we'll get you welded up, and then that should start pulling out ingots. Then we should have lots of iron coming in. Which means I can start making a lot of construction components. I'm going to need a ton of iron plates and a ton of construction components to weld up the floor. So let's just go make... Actually, let me kill that. Let's do... do 500 of each, so we have a variety coming through. And there we go. There is our refinery setup. Now I can start making modules and whatnot. Which I think I have. So I'm actually going to turn this guy off for now. He's chugging through that. I want to get some yield and stuff going before I refine all that iron. Okay, I like it. I'm going to add on to this in between episodes with some more catwalk and stuff, but now we can get down to the lower floor. There'll be a lower floor down here. Just be able to walk around and weld up the modules, that kind of stuff. It'll be all industrial looking in here, which is the look I was going for. Get some lights and things up. So with that done, let's talk a little bit. I had a major bug with the daily needs, and I don't remember if I talked about that. I think it was between episodes. It completely broke my save. What I discovered through some research is if you enable wolves with the contact, after the contact patch, if you enable wolves and you have daily needs, it breaks your save. You're just boned. And it maybe has something to do with the player sort of being in an NPC faction. I never could get it right again until I completely disabled. It was a whole process. I had to disable the mods and delete a bunch of files, and I don't even know for sure how I got it fixed, but I did get it fixed eventually. And then I turned off wolves because I wanted... well, here's the whole thing. So Earth-like animals is in the mod list. I wasn't finding any animals, right? We were out searching on the mining. Wasn't finding any animals, so I looked into it. Oh, you're supposed to have wolves and spiders enabled for the Earth-like animals mod to work. So, oh, okay, great. So I turned on wolves and spiders and broke my save. So, and there's lots of people out there with the same problem. So we can't have Earth-like animals because it breaks the save. I don't. Maybe they'll patch it at some point. But so I got that all fixed. We're back with daily needs working again, which is awesome. But we can't have the Earth-like animals like I was hoping, unfortunately. And it reminded me that I got low on water there. So I think that will do it for this episode. Next episode, I want to work on the mining setup a little bit. And also in between episodes, I'll be getting the refinery area cleaned up a little bit. So I want to redo this and have probably multiple docking stations for the little miner that I have designed. And I'll just be bringing in like a little bit of iron, a little bit of cobalt, just whatever we happen to need. And then we're eventually going to start branching out and exploring and see if we can't find some prototech stuff on this planet. So that is the plan. I may need more solar panels as well because we are quite power hungry now, and I don't want to burn through all my uranium. So I'll probably be working on additional solar power. I got the wind things knocked down so they weren't in the way. I may go up top. Like what I'd like to do is have something go all the way up top and have some wind power up there, and there's solar as well. So there is lots and lots to do. We got plenty to do here on the planet. Thanks as always for watching, folks. I will catch you in the next episode. Take care.